Severe tropical storm Kompasu, known as Typhoon Kompasu in China and Hong Kong and as severe tropical storm Maring in the Philippines, was a deadly and destructive tropical cyclone that affected the Philippines, Taiwan, and southeast China, part of the 2021 Pacific typhoon season. Kompasu originated from an area of low pressure east of the Philippines on October 6. The Japan Meteorological Agency classified it as a tropical depression that day. A day later, the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration classified it as a tropical depression, naming it Maring. The cyclone was initially heavily disorganized, competing with another vortex, Tropical Depression Nando. Eventually, Maring became dominant, and the JMA reclassified it as a tropical storm, naming it Kompasu. Kompasu made landfall in Cagayan, Philippines, on October 11, and 2 days later, the storm made landfall in Hainan, China. The cyclone dissipated on October 14 while located over Vietnam. According to the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, 39 people have been killed by the storm in the Philippines, with 17 missing. Damage is estimated at 2.97 billion pesos. In Hong Kong, 1 person was killed and 21 people were injured. The storm impacted many areas previously affected by Tropical Storm Lionrock a few days prior. At 1800 Coordinated Universal Time on October 6, the JMA noted that an area of low pressure embedded within a large monsoonal circulation had formed to the north of Palau. The system developed into a tropical depression at 0000 Coordinated Universal Time of the next day. At 9 o'clock Coordinated Universal Time, the PAGASA issued its final bulletin as it excited the power and continued towards Hainan. Between 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock Coordinated Universal Time of October 13, Kompasu had made landfall over the east coast of Hainan. By 1800 Coordinated Universal Time, the JMA downgraded it to a tropical storm, as it crossed the entire island and entered the Gulf of Tonkin, as its convection had rapidly weakened because of the rough terrain of the island. At 9 o'clock Coordinated Universal Time of the next day, the JTWC issued its final warning followed by downgrading to a tropical depression, as its convection had diminished and the low-level circulation center had been weakened significantly because of the increasing vertical wind shear and dry air, despite not making landfall over northern Vietnam. The JMA issued its final warning after downgrading it to a tropical depression at 1800 Coordinated Universal Time. Around 2,000 people were evacuated as a precaution. On October 12, the governments of Baguio City, Ilocos Sur, and Pangasinan cancelled school and suspended work in government offices. According to the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, the NDRRMC also distributed 743,897 pesos worth of recovery items to people affected by the storm. The Central Weather Bureau issued advisories for heavy rain for northern and eastern parts of Taiwan. Heavy rain was reported in numerous areas, including the Taipei Keeling metropolitan area, the Hong Kong Observatory as the center of the storm passed by. There were a total of 72 reports of fallen trees, and 10 reports of flooding. 1 person was killed, and 21 people were injured. In Bangkok, Thailand, flooding on October 14 blocked exits on a highway, causing a traffic jam.